RMT Equipment is proud to present the video installation of his VEI payload management system. Sit back and learn how easy you can install and improve your VEI installation. Let's have a quick overview of the components. Every VEI weighing system comes with the in-cab monitor, 2 electronic pressure sensors, and the level sensor complete with the reference disc installed on the boom. VEI designed a unique multi-directional bracket to fit every machine of the industry. Some Caterpillar machines have pre-drilled blocks with no drilling necessary. All the cables are together in special shielding and routed to the corner of the window. Following the side of the window, they pass underneath the hydraulic levers to finally end up underneath the side of the cab. The excess of cable, as well as the power supply, can be located in this compartment or at the front of the machine. Before starting any work on the hydraulic, put the boom and bucket down completely and remove slowly the oil cap and release all the pressure in the system. At the flange, remove slowly and carefully each bolts on each side, pressure and return line. When your hydraulic lines are removed, it's now time to install the RMT pressure plate adapters with the hydraulic pressure sensors. Tight each bolt at the flange and use a 9/16 wrench for the pressure sensor installed at the pressure block. Make sure the sensor number 1 with the green tag is on the pressure side and the sensor 2 with the blue tag is on the return line. The routing of your cables is very important, and make sure that your pressure sensors cables and your proximity switch are going right in the center of the machine, right to the monitor. It's now time to see the installation of the level sensor and the reference disc placed on the boom. Your level sensor must be installed horizontally and bolted with 2 5/16 bolts. One of the most important operations on the installation is where to install the reference disc. We'll give you some tips to know where to drill and install the reference disc on the boom. Roll back the bucket completely and lift the boom up in order to have the bucket pin around 6 inches over the tire. From this position, bring the bucket forward completely in order to have around 18 inches from the lip of the bucket to the ground. Make sure you drill your hole to have the disc positioned this way. Number 1, make sure your disc is a little bit offset from the blue block. Number 2, the top of the reference disc must be on the bottom of the blue block. Number 3, cut the octagonal bar to have a 1/4 of an inch distance between the disc and the blue block. Just as a reminder, make sure the level sensor is detecting only the VEI reference disc, so make sure it's not too close from the boom cylinder or any other piece of steel. Make sure you get at least 3/4 of an inch of tolerance. Make sure also that the machine side don't cut your reference disc the first time, so allow enough distance when the reference disc will go down. With the disc properly installed, this should be the smooth motion you should have from the reference disc placed on the boom. We thank you for your time, and never forget that the final results of a professional installation are always many happy customers, more VEI sales, and after all, many new friends.